Mama, anong ulam?
Ginisang gulay.
That's my mom cooking and I asked her, anong ulam, Mama? And what is ulam? Ulam is the dish that always goes with rice. So if you're having fried rice or rice for breakfast or almusal with, let's say, sausage or scrambled egg or hot dog, then that's your ulam. Ulam. And if you're having, let's say, barbecue, beef stew, grilled fish, or steamed vegetables for your lunch or dinner, then that's your ulam.
Maghain ka na!
Maghain ka na, sa Tagalog, sa English, that means prepare the table. Preparing the rice or kanin, the ulam, and also that includes the plates or mga pinggan or mga plato at mga kutsara at tinidor or the forks and spoons. And don't forget the baso, mga baso or glasses. And let's say you already prepared the table, everything is ready, and then you can say, Naghain na po ako. Or whoever told you to prepare the table, say your mom, your dad, or your ate or kuya, then, or lola or lolo, then you can say, Naghain na ako mama, or Naghain na ako papa, Naghain na ako ate or kuya, Naghain na ako lolo or lola. And of course, you can always say, po. You can always add po. Naghain na po ako lolo, or naghain na po ako mama. And you can also say, ready na po, or in Tagalog, nakahanda na po. Nakahanda na po ang mesa. Mama, pakiabot ng ulam.
Ito.
Eto. Salamat. And, yep, just in case there's anything that you can't reach on the table, let's say the rice is too far from you, or the ulam, or the water, or any drink, and you want to say, please hand me over then you say, pakiabot ng, and then you say the item. Example, pakiabot ng tubig or water, pakiabot ng kanin or rice, or pakiabot ng ulam. Yes, we already talked about, or I already made a video about pakiabot, and you can find the link below under the info section. Delicious, if you want to say delicious or this tastes good, say masarap. Masarap. Or just say sarap. Or if you want to say, wow, that looks good, or that looks good, mukhang masarap. Mukhang masarap.
Kain na!
Masarap?
Masarap. Tamis?